Hi everyone, welcome to back my channel Data Science Genius. My name is Ikra and I am delighted to be here with you today. Very important topic discuss. So we are going to explore an important topic, type of data visualization line chart. Type of data visualization line chart. Let's see definition. A line chart, also known as a line graph, is a type of chart that display information as a series of data points called markers connected by a straight line segment. It is one of the simplest and most widely used data visualization tool of showing trend over time. Line chart is like line plot, line graph, use point connected by line segment from left to right in motion. Creating a line chart collection data, choose the right scale, upload data points, draw lines and label of title. Collect data, ensure the data is sequential and consistent. Choose the right scale. The scale of x-axis and y-axis should be appropriate from the data. Upload data points. Place data point on the chart according to their values. Draw lines, connect to data points with the straight lines. Dry lines करते हैं स्ट्रेट लाइन से, फिर उसके बाद वो जो पॉइंट्स देते हैं कि हमारा ट्रेंडिंग में डाटा कैसे जा रहा है, अप जा रहा है तो हमारी जो ड्रॉ लाइन होगी वो अप साइड पे ड्रॉ करेंगे, अगर वो डाउन हो रहा है तो डाउन साइड पे। इस तरह से ये एक लाइन ग्राफ चार्ट बन जाता है। Line charts are a powerful tool for visualization trend and pattern. Over time, their simplicity and clarity make them essential in data analysis, helping to uncover insight the drive decision-making across various fields. See image. The line chart above show the exchange rate between two fictional currencies are a mix of are over a 6-month period. As time progresses from left to right point to connect the daily exchange rate. We are read from the general slope of the line and its vertical position that the rate improved from about 0.75 to 0.78 between March and April, then fell gradually to about 0.765 and late May and June. Wildlife population. Line graphs are used to compare two variables, with one variable along the x-axis and y-axis, another along y-axis. While line graph can be used to represent any two variables, they are commonly used to represent change in one variable over a continuous period of time. For example, show change in quantity or percentage against time. In addition to trend line graph, illustrate correlation between two variables and how one change with the other. And then types of line chart: simple line chart, multiple line chart, straight line chart, and spot line chart and spark line chart. Now that certainly appear more data science, doesn't it? But is the difference that this is line chart is doing a lot if we look at just one line? This graph also depicts not one line's worth of data but three different colored lines portraying and population over time for multiple species at once. So it is kind of four graph in one. Graph for the population trend for the each of three species as well as a graph. Compare also these graphs. This graph of wildlife population example is a good example of the wheelhouse. For line chart, the line depicting rate of change make it very easy for the human eye to compare rates of change over time or trends. This time series analysis are also useful when comparing trends between categorical, such as the population of different species or social media traffic. Social media traffic, also known Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, Reddit, YouTube, LinkedIn, Google, as compare of the trend. So हम ना ये इस तरह से मालूम कर सकते हैं कि ट्रैफिक मीडिया कोई यूट्यूब चैनल है तो उस पर हम वीडियो अपलोड करते हैं किसी भी डाटा के अकॉर्डिंग। तो हम जब अपने देखते हैं कि कितने व्यूवर्स देख रहे हैं और किससे किसे तक देख रहे हैं और कितनी हमारी अप जा रही है, डाउन जा रही है, तो वो जब एक लाइन के साथ हमें शो कराते हैं तो वो एक ट्रैफिक एनालिसिस हो जाता है कि हमारे पास इस तरह से ट्रेंडिंग में ये सोशल मीडिया काम कर रहा है। तो इस तरह से हम इसको किसी भी मीडिया पे, कोई भी हमारी वेबसाइट है, कुछ भी है हमारा डाटा, उसको हमने अगर एनालिसिस करना है, उसको मालूम करना है कि ये ट्रेंड में चल रहा है या नहीं, ये लो लेवल में जा रहा है या हाई रैंक में जा रहा है, तो इस तरह से सोशल मीडिया ट्रैफिक के ट्रेंड्स के एक एग्जांपल ये गई। इसको लाइन ग्राफ के थ्रू इस तरह से हम शो करा सकते हैं, फ्रीक्वेंसी बताकर, और ये किस रेट में कितने टाइम पे ये यूज हो रहा है या देखा जा रहा है। एंड सो Sparkline Juice show data trends. A sparkline is a tiny chart in a worksheet cell that provides a visual representation of data. Visual representation जो नजर ना आए but वो हो actual में वो होती है representation. Use sparklines here to show trend in a series of value such as sessional increase or decrease, economic cycle, or the highlight maximum and minimum values. Position a sparkline near in data greatest impact. A special case use of the line chart is the spark line. Spark line is a special chart. Okay, point tag spark line essentially smile line chart है, तो इसको build किया इस तरह से किया जाता है। टेक्स्ट फॉर्म हमें लिया जाता है, सैंपल लिया जाता है, तो उस तरह से हम एक चार्ट बनाते हैं, वैल्यू दे जाते हैं, और जब वो चेंज होता है माइनस में जाएगा तो वो डाउन लाइन शो कराएगा, अगर अप में जाएगा तो वो अप लाइन शो कराएगा। और डिफरेंट शेप में हम ये इन्हीं लाइन्स को शो करा सकते हैं। I will not include any labeling. Statical can be placed next to spark line to indicate starting and ending values or minimum or maximum values defined. The main point of spark line is to show change over a period of time. ये शो कराता है कि हमारा पीरियड जब चेंज होगा तो इसको ये शो कराने में सबसे important काम करता है। And the main point of spark line is it. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to more informative content on data science. Until next time, take care.